How to use the StealthGearUSA fire plug. You're going to take a fire plug and you're going to start loosening those fibers by bending this thing back and forth and twisting, okay? And eventually you want to get this thing in half, like so, okay? Now you kind of want to fluff these ends a little bit. The more you fluff it, the easier it is going to be to catch a spark or flame, okay? So once you get those things kind of fluffed up, you're going to set them down. Kind of next to each other, yeah? You can light it with a lighter or a ferro rod, or any means necessary, really. Okay, once you get those things lit, these things will burn for about 5 minutes, so you kind of want to get them under your kindling that you have prepared already. And that's how you use the StealthGearUSA fire plugs. So you guys can tell that, you know, this wasn't like the perfect pile of kindling, but in a survival situation, if you're in a rush, you just start breaking up small pieces of stick, and with the StealthGearUSA fire plug, because of its long burn time, as long as the wood is relatively dry, it's going to catch, And so when you get it to this point, now you're going to, you're going to want to start putting your larger pieces of wood there to really start building up that fire. So get your StealthGearUSA fire plugs at StealthGearUSA.com.